You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly in different languages. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. I've got tons more suggestions for you. You're going to learn so much. Polish, Spanish, also Italian pronunciations are all pretty much as Ania, so not Anaya. Generally speaking, even in English, Ania, Ania. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Do you pronounce it Anaya? In the comments, let us know in the comments. I'm sure you may hear it pronounced as Anaya quite often, but generally Ania. How do you say it? Let us know in the comments. Ania, is it? Let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.